Today we talk about how can you enable activity indicators notifications on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on notification settings. You click on it here. Click here on notification settings. Then you click here on notifications categories here. So then you come to next step here. Just go down here. Come here to activity indicators. Then you come to on notifications here. Click in this sign or this color, like you see color here show for us. That's mean activity indicators notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.